In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Smartsheet efficiently, ensuring you always have the most up-to-date data at your fingertips. Whether you're managing a team project, tracking your personal goals, or organizing any aspect of your life, keeping your Smartsheet up to date is critical for accurate information and smooth collaboration. To get started, first, navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or your home page. This is your central hub where all your sheets and projects are stored, making it easy for you to access everything in one place. Once you're there, take a moment to verify that you're in the right workspace, especially if you have multiple workspaces for different projects or teams. Next, open the specific sheet that you want to refresh. Whether your sheet contains project timelines, budget tracking, or any other vital information, accessing the correct document is key, so make sure you have the right sheet opened before proceeding. Once you have the correct sheet on your screen, you'll find that refreshing can be done very easily. To refresh your Smartsheet, click on File in the menu at the top of the page. This menu contains various options to manage and modify your sheet. From the drop-down, select Refresh. This option tells Smartsheet to reload the data. It checks for any updates or modifications that might have been made since you last accessed the sheet. This step is particularly useful when you've been working on the sheet for a while or if data might have changed during your session. However, there is an even quicker method for an immediate update, especially when you're working in a collaborative environment where multiple users may be making changes at the same time. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus F5, which is particularly effective. This command is a browser refresh and is a little more comprehensive than a simple refresh, as it clears cached data and forces the browser to fetch the latest version of your sheet from the server. This method ensures that you have the freshest data at your disposal without having to click through any menus. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure your Smartsheet data is always current, leading to better decision making and more efficient work processes. If you're working in a fast-paced environment, using these techniques regularly will be beneficial to maintain accuracy and streamline your workflow. So go ahead and try these tips next time you need to refresh your Smartsheet and keep things running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain your productivity and collaboration on Smartsheet.